Welcome to this lesson on the long division of polynomials. In this video, we will walk through the systematic algorithm for dividing one polynomial by another. It looks intimidating, but it follows a very predictable pattern. First, let's understand our goal. We want to divide a polynomial, called the dividend, by another polynomial, called the divisor. The result we get is the quotient. If it doesn't divide evenly, we'll have a remainder, just like with regular numbers. To start, we set up the problem in the traditional long division format. The divisor goes on the outside, and the dividend goes on the inside. A critical rule here is to make sure your terms are in standard form, meaning they are written from the highest exponent to the lowest. The process relies on a repeating four-step cycle: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. We will keep looping through these four steps until we can't go any further. It helps to memorize this order. Let's begin. Step 1 is to divide. Look only at the first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor. Ask yourself, how many times does x go into x squared? The answer is x. We write this x on top, above the term with the matching power. Step 2 is to multiply. We take that x we just found and multiply it by the entire divisor on the outside. So, x times x plus 2 gives us x squared plus 2x. We write this result directly underneath the matching terms. Step 3 is subtract. This is where most mistakes happen. We need to subtract the line we just wrote from the terms above it. To do this safely, change the signs of the bottom terms and then add them. X squared minus x squared is 0. 5x minus 2x is 3x. Step 4 is bring down. We bring down the next term from the dividend, which is the positive 6. This gives us a new expression to work with, 3x plus 6. Now we repeat the cycle. We go back to step 1, divide. We look at our new leading term, 3x, and divide it by the divisor's leading term, x. 3x divided by x is 3. So we put a positive 3 up in the quotient. We continue the cycle. Multiply 3 by x plus 2 to get 3x plus 6. Then subtract. 3x plus 6 minus 3x plus 6 results in 0. Since we have a remainder of 0, the division is complete. The result of our division is simply x plus 3. You can always check your answer by multiplying the quotient and the divisor back together. If you get the original dividend, you know you are correct. To summarize, just remember the algorithm: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Keep repeating this loop until the degree of your remainder is less than the degree of your divisor. With practice, this becomes second nature.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.